good bearish move is seen across Dow Jones and NASDAQ 100. Tech 100, as we discussed several times, that 15420, 15425 is a great resistance in our yesterday's analysis and today morning update as well. The same thing was discussed. And sell entry was at 15360 precisely. It has dropped till now, till towards 15270. At the same time, US30 failing to stay at 35500. We have seen why 35500 was a great resistance and it has dropped sharply since, and it has come to its next support level, that is 35,200. So now what to expect? I hope you all profited by the way till now with the Asia session update. This is the second update for the day, and hence press the bell icon. You can also remain updated with the live market updates, and you can also join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. With that, let's start. First, we look into Tech 100, followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Nasdaq on the hourly charts, we can see it coming back to the support levels, triple bottom levels at 15250. It has attempted it twice, thrice, and multiple times to break below this level, because below this 15250 there is only one support, that is 15200, and below 15200 we are going to look forward to a massive crash there. When I say crash, it can probably breach below 15,000 very soon, and in fact 14,800, 900 also will be seen there. Hence, it has come to the support level. That is very important. Next is the divergence of the moving average from the price. Yes, it can converge till here. Second is it is trading outside Bollinger Bands, and hence it can show a little pull. So this is something we should watch out for here, that it is trading outside Bollinger Bands, and hence a pullback cannot be denied. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness. The RSI is looking downwards here. Coming to 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, similar observation is seen here. It is trading within the box, and let it just come out of the box, and more sharp drop can be expected here, else a possible bounce back cannot be denied. Now one more point here on the 2-hour charts is, see the support levels here, which is now going to be the resistance, which is right now situated at around 15330, 15360 zone. This zone is going to remain crucial, beyond which you can again expect 380, 400, 420. Any point of time staying above 420 is where the bulls will take over. Stochastic at bottom, MACD crossing over for sell, trading with little divergence. RSI is also looking down, trying to indicate bearishness. Coming to 3-hour charts, similar observation, nothing different. Yes, symmetrical formation here, identical candles, then identical movement. Now out of these two, we can see red is followed with a red, so I will definitely watch out for it. Is, yes, very much within the range right now. Stochastic has dropped. MACD converging, crossing over almost. It is not yet crossed over, but it may try to cross over for sell. RSI is looking downwards, suggestive of bearishness. Now look at 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, moving average 50 and 100 are crossing over. 20 and 100, 20 and 50 have already crossed over, and it has got very strong resistance at 380, 400, and hence only above 15,400, 420 we can say that it is trying to trade bullish, else it is trying to squeeze out here. You can see this, it is trying to squeeze here, and then whenever it stays outside this box, more bearishness may prevail, which will take for 15,000, and 15,200 is the first target, then 15,000 and 14,900, 800 will be seen very soon. Stochastic dropping here. The MACD is in green, but with trading with very little divergence, it is trying to converge rather. RSI is looking down, trying to act little bit bearish. Coming to the daily chart, see same support level here at 15,200, very strong support level, and below 15,250 is where you can sell for 15,200, and then 15,000 levels will be definitely get achieved in a quick succession of trading sessions. Yes, you can see the stochastic here is oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish, while RSI is also looking down, trying to act slightly bearish. Considering this for the day, only buy entry I will 15,360 levels. Above 15,360 we can expect it to hit 15,380, 15,400, 420. Now only if it breaks past 15,420 is where the bulls will take over for 450 and 500, else it is going to stay bearish. On the downside, I will only recommend you to sell here at 15,250. Expect 200, and below 200 we are going to look forward to massive drop there. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. But before that, I have a couple of offerings. First is my mentorship batch. The 25th batch is going to start on first week of September. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can definitely benefit. Now look at US30 here on the early. On the early charts, you can see it has come down till towards the support levels at 35,200. Now 35,200, 35,100, this is a major support zone for US30. Only if it breaks below 35,100, more bearishness is going to prevail there. Now if you look at the early charts, 4 straight red candles with diminishing body size, also trading outside Bollinger Bands and hence trying to get a pullback. Stochastic looking down, trying to trade bearish. MACD is divergent, bearish looking down, but it has seen very good move, so possibly it should converge a bit. RSI is also looking down, trying to trade bearish. And yes, before we proceed, if you appreciate the efforts which I am putting day on day, every time, without any fail, if you think that it is adding meaning to your value, I just request you to press the like button. That's a great motivation, and your every comment I go through, definitely it's all your love and support which keeps me going, and hence please write down a comment also. And yes, do share and subscribe. That's also another way to just stay connected and spread the word. Thanks for your support again. Now let's have a look at the 2-hour charts. Yes, sharper red candles here, but this candle not willing to stay bearish, trying to pull back. Possibly once it stays beyond 35,300, yes, you can expect 35,350, 60 zone as the first and 400 as the next. Beyond that, only bullishness will resume. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent here, bearish crossing over for a sell, and this is coming after a fat belly. It can continue with the bearish momentum. RSI looking downwards here. Coming to 3-hour chart, similar observation on the 3-hour charts. Look at this. This is an expanding triangle. Hence, yes, if you see it trading below 35,200, you can sell there as well and expect 35,100, 35,000 levels. Stochastic trying to converge, RSI looking down, trying to trade with a slight bearish bias. Coming to the 4-hour chart, similar observation, higher lows, higher highs, trying to come back to the support levels at 35,200. That is a very good support, and then 35,100, 35,000 levels. The stochastic looking down, trying to trade bearish. The MACD is bullish here, trying to converge, and RSI is almost have dropped now. Coming to the daily chart, on the daily charts you can see higher lows. So this time possibly if it is bearish, it can try to break this, which suggests that it can in fact break below 35,000 levels today again. When I say again, it was last week when it has gone close to it, but this time it will try to break this. However, remember the 20 period moving average is going to give it a very good support. Hence, those who wants to take a sell at 35,180 levels can sell, but then 150, 100 are two major supports, and then 35,000 levels will be seen. Stochastic, see, divergent, bearish, it has just crossed over. It can continue with the bearish momentum. RSI looking down. So considering this, you can buy 35,300. However, 340, 360, very good resistance. Then 400, the next resistance. Beyond that, we may see it hitting 35,500. The ultimate resistance. Chances are less. Possibly we could see it trading bearish. And in fact, even if it tries to achieve a high 35,400, 35,500 zone is going to provide the maximum resistance there. On the downside, yes, you can sell at 35,200, but then be careful for 35,150, 100, and then 35,000 is the ultimate support. Below that, we may see it crashing further. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.